St. Paul's words in our first reading assures a great amount of hope, not only during their time but even until now. That we need not only focus on what is here, sa mga kaganapan ngayon, sa mga paghihirap ngayon, at pagpapakasakit sa atin ngayon, kundi makita din na may mas malaking pabaon na ginhawa at pagpapala sa ating mga tinatanaw at marahil sa susunod. And true enough, let us admit it that we are still groaning labor pains. May mga kanya-kanya tayong kwento ng paghihirap at mga pagpapakasakit. There is pain and trouble within and even outside our hearts. We are being haunted by personal dilemmas. We are being confronted by developing problems, be it personal, as a family, to another person, or to whomever it is. Our labor pains may be growing, as well as our healing and our desire for healing and for reconciliation. But today, it is good to remind ourselves that even though we grow in labor pains, may we acknowledge and look forward in hope. And sometimes, God's messages of hope seems to be insignificant and unnoticeable, but would bring a big consolation. The mustard seed and the yeast in our gospel, by their very nature, appears to be small and insignificant, although small enough to be seen, but the fruit and the effect given is big enough to be seen and even to enjoy. My dear brothers and sisters, while we groan in our own stories of labor pains, we tend to look and see and desire for big and noticeable answers, big and noticeable hopes and resolutions. Pero baka naman din, sa maliliit at payak na pagkakataon at karanasan, naroroon din ang pag-asa. Naghahanap tayo ng mga engrande at minsan mga komplikadong bagay. Naroroon lang din pala ang mga sagot sa mga paghihilom sa mga maliliit na bagay. Maybe it's just the beginning of the day for all of us and seems to begin the day with a bad one. But then, you saw your friend, you saw your loved one smiling at you gracefully. And something now has changed in you. You might be at the beginning of the day, simulang-simula pala ng umaga, sira na ang araw, Tuesday pa lang, Friday na ang pakiramdam, and heard a simple message from someone that you look up to, or saw a message that inspired you today, and then a miracle happened in you. It is also in small things that we enjoy big and consoling blessings. My dear friends, we may still groan in labor pains, but hope is assured. Let us begin to acknowledge small things that would mean greater blessings for us. To see the ordinary as a way of hope. At ang mapaalalahanan tayo na sa Diyos, walang maliit na bagay. Simple man at maliit. May daladala at may baong pag-asa at bagong lakas araw-araw.